Fantastic news! Ducklings are on the move. Meet the fluffiest explorers around. Ducklings! These tiny adventurers are always on the lookout for fun. Watch as they waddle through tall grass, splash in puddles and chase after butterflies. Did you know ducklings can swim just hours after hatching? Talk about fast learners. And when they're tired, they cuddle up in the cutest pile. So whether they're taking a dip or just being adorably clumsy, these ducklings remind us to enjoy the little things. Stay curious and keep exploring, little ones.